Welcome back DIY NCERT viewers. So in this video we will be covering about the biomass, functioning of the biomass and working of the biogas plant. So biomass basically is those fuels which are the plant and the animal products. So what the basic problem was that whenever we use these fuels as in source, so they produce lot of heat on burning and lot of smoke on burning. So what we should do, we added some technology to improve the resources. So instead of burning biomass, what actually we do is we left those biomass for the decomposition process, and we know that what is decomposition. So in this decomposition process we do not need oxygen, and those anaerobic organisms produces biogas, okay, which we could use for cooking, and this process is being used on a bigger level and which is known as biogas plant. Am I understood right till now? So yes, so this is the biogas plant. This is also, first of all, on the one side there is a slurry, and on the other hand we add some manure and fertilizer, and we add in this container, and by the time the gas is generated, and also we have they given the gas outlet. So whenever we want to use that gas, we can use through this gas outlet, and if we by time we have to time to time fill out this slurry and change this slurry, so we can also do that. Now, so what are the benefits of biogas plant? Like we use the plant and the animal product. So what could be the benefit of the biogas plant? Any guesses? No? You can think and also comment below. So yes, these are the sources of the biomass. Okay, so let's just start with the agriculture, crops and residues. So we can use agricultural crops and residues. We can use sewage as an source for the biogas in the biogas plant. Also the solid waste, municipal solid waste, and the animal residues like cow dungs, right? And this is very the industrial residues. We can also use this as the source, and also forestry crop residues like the leftovers. So yeah, these all are the biomass sources which we could use in the biogas plant to have the biogas, right? So this is so how easy is this, right? So let's just know more that which of the following is not an example of biomass energy source. Like we have come to know that biomass energy is very useful, and we can use it on a very basic level. We have just added some technology in the biogas plant. So yeah, what is not an example of biogas energy? Yes, the nuclear energy is not an example of biogas energy source. We have just like in the previous slide we have just seen that the wood, right, the gobar gas and the coal, like the wood, gobar gas and the coal are the has been used in the biomass, isn't it? We can see here the sewage and the agriculture, the forestry, these has been used in the biomass energy sources. So yes, nuclear energy is is the correct answer. For more such interesting video, keep connected. Till then, tada, take care, bye bye.